We have breaking news coming in. NIA tightens noose around Pakistani spies. NIA searches 15 locations across 8 states in Pakistan espionage case. Now, searches were conducted at the premises of suspects linked with Pakistan's intelligence operatives in the states of Delhi, Maharashtra, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Assam, West Bengal. So NIA tightening noose around Pakistani spies, conducting searches at 15 locations in 8 states. We have our colleague Arawat who's joining us for more details. Arawat, what more details you can provide us? Because this is, we are talking about 15 locations across 8 states in the case. How much information has the NIA got, and who are these individuals who are being looked at now?
Yes, absolutely. If we talk about the ongoing raids, we have seen that the raids were started in the parts of the Jammu and Kashmir earlier also. Thereafter, we have seen that the same kind of raids are being followed, and we have seen that the 15 locations in the 8 states across the country are being searched yesterday. If we talk about the locations where the raids were conducted, there were Maharashtra, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, and the West Bengal. Their raids were conducted at the premises of the individuals who are having the links with the Pakistan-based handlers, and then after we have seen that the some electronic gadgets were also seized during the raid yesterday in these locations. Yesterday also we have seen some electronic devices and some documents were also seized by the National Investigation Agency. We have seen that earlier that the same kind of raids were conducted after the Pahalgam attack in the Kashmir Valley also. And then after we have seen that the same kind of raids are being followed in the various parts of the country. It indicates that the alertness of the security agencies, that how they have tightened the nose to the individuals who are having the suspected links with the Pakistan-based handlers. And we have seen that the search were carried out also. During the search, we have seen some electronic gadgets, including the mobile phones. There is possibility that something big might come during the investigation, as we have seen that the National Investigation Agency sources have confirmed that these persons, the premises where raids are having the links with the Pakistan business handlers. Then after we have seen the raids is over, and there is possibility that during the investigation some big thing might be come out. Yes.